Hey guys, welcome to this short video. I just wanted to give you some ideas on what to check if your bike is running weirdly, like bogging for instance. So I have this Honda CB F500 from 2006 and it is carbureted, and I was going to my job as usual. I was heading to my job and suddenly the engine started bogging, like doing weird erratic patterns, and it wasn't even like giving proper power output. So I decided I was thinking, obviously, like, okay, I should check the carburetor, I should clean it maybe, but the recent days were perfect for the bike, so it was really weird. So I made it to the office. I started my job as usual, but at coffee break I went and checked in the parking lot, and I noticed some weird noise regarding the engine, like coming out from the engine. And it was a clicking noise. So it turns out that the previous owner or the previous dealer maybe or workshop didn't check the tightening torque for the spark plugs, actually the cylinder number 2 in the right side of this twin cylinder engine. So after checking, I noticed that the connector, the pipe wasn't really was like ticking, as I told you. So I decided to pull the pipe, like the coil connector, and I noticed that when I put the spark plug tool, I was able to turn it, as you can see right now, and I was able to pull the spark plug by finger. So basically, it is a diagnostic idea that I can share with you because it really happened to me. So yeah, just another thing to consider if you are checking your bike which is running poorly. So yes, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.
Yo creo que esto estaba suelto, no lo... espera, a ver, es que ahí... A ver cómo lo...
Pero todo lo que ha sacado la bujía.
Sí, sí.